Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov and this is maximum detailed video of how I transform nails of this hardworker Russian woman. Her name is Luba. I have already made some videos about her and her life. And now I'm continue publishing video with her because she became very popular on the social networks and the YouTube. You ask me million questions about her. After many bad disease, after many times when doctors said that her health is very bad, but after she's going to be the mom for the third time, she's waiting for the third baby, and I hope that everything will be fine with the baby because the health of the daughter and the son is good. Sometimes we see each other with Luba not very soon because I have changed the direction and live in the other city. But when I have a chance to do her nails again, I'm doing it with the great pleasure because the Luba is perfect model. She is always laughing and she is always telling me funny stories. I have even advised her to create her personal YouTube nail channel, where she would telling jokes or telling stories about her life. As you understand, she doesn't work in the warehouse anymore because she is sitting with babies. But she returned to live in an old house when she needs to heat the stove with a coal. That's why her hands and nails are still dirty. But in spite of this fact, she enjoys to have perfect gel nails. And to do such perfect, long and strong gel nails for Luba, I'm using the Sculpting Mix Gel. And I'm using only this brand for her nails. Why? Just because it's strong enough. It doesn't hit the nail plate even when we put a lot of product. The product is strong but soft to shape. You see me working with the electric files and the manicure files, but I'm easily filing and shaping nails with all these tools very quickly, and the product stays for a long time. Sometimes Luba is coming back to me after 2 or 3 months, but nails are staying stable without liftings and cracks. I'm just removing the upper layer and place the new layer of the Sculpting Mix Gel. By the way guys, all of you were waiting for large containers. They are very economic and easy to work. I'm going to tell you great news that the shapeofnail.com will produce only big containers of the most popular products. So you don't need to open everyday small containers to work with this product. One more great news that the shipping now is free even for small orders. So you don't need to collect in your cart a lot of products to make the order. You can order only products you need right now. So guys, let's take a look on the process and listen to the music. guys, what's my favorite drill bit in my work? Of course, the professional cone drill bit, which were made on the Russian manufacturer. This tool is polyfunctional. I mean, you can use it not only for gel product removal from the underneath of the nail plate. I can also use it, and I'm using about 10 years this drill bit for removal products in the cuticles area. I mean, guys, those trend to place the gel polish or the gel paint very close to cuticles and under the cuticle. This way nails look like so they grow from under the skin. That's beautiful. But you can't do it without cone gel bit, because this way we clean the gel product properly. And after that, you should disinfect it. I mean, use the disinfector or the cleaner to remove the dust from underneath of the skin. And after, you place product carefully and sometimes using the thin brush to draw under cuticles. So guys, the cone drill bit is the number one for working with the gel nails on the first phase, when we're removing the gel from the under the cuticles and cleaning underneath of the nail plate. Only this drill bit is professional. Other types, like Chinese drill bits, they are sharp and they cut the skin quickly and they are blunted, so you will not have a chance to make even one set. They're too blunted. I suggest you guys to work only with professional products from Russian manufacturers. These drill bits are made specially for dental workers. They have only high professional things for the work, and you have a chance to use the same. Each drill bit is individually packed and has the special number. You'll never have the fake. I have more great news for you, that you can order only 2 or 3 samples of these drill bits, and you will have free shipping to any country you live, so you will have a chance to try it without spending too much money on the shipping. I think half of my subscribers have already tasted this amazing drill bit, and we have only great feedbacks. So you can order this drill bit and try out. You know guys, I'm loving drawing on gel nails, beautiful compositions of flowers and butterflies. I think these nail designs are the most popular and adorable by women. And also Luba enjoys such designs, and special for her I created the composition of beautiful flowers and the butterflies. I think this composition looks beautiful on her nails, isn't it? Please tell me your thoughts about these nails under the video. What kinds of nail designs you want to see on my YouTube nail channel? What a beautiful nail design! These nails are amazing, fantastic, adorable. They are shining like the sun and suitable for the sunny weather. What's the weather on the place of your living now? Please share. I hope guys you have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye.